Hi everyone, this is Evelyn, aka Sparrow. I'm coming at you today with a quick tutorial about how to make a romance book cover using Canva. So here we go. As you can see, I am already on canva.com. There is a free version of this website, or you can pay for it. You get some extra perks if you pay for it, including you don't have to pay individually for stock imagery and certain templates. But the free version is really useful, and you can pay piecemeal for the stock photography if you would like, and they're not gonna break the bank. They're usually only a couple of dollars each, so totally worth it to check out and just to play with. Even just to purchase a couple of images is not going to hurt your wallet too much. So today, like I said, let's start by using the search at the top to search for book cover. They have a lot of pre-made templates that you can use and leverage, which are super useful for a new author. So as you can see, here is a list of a lot of different styles of book cover. So I said we were going to be doing a romance book cover. So let's see if we can find a good image just to start with for a romance novel. Here we are. Here's a pretty nice one that could work for a romance novel. But we need that clinch. We need a couple on the cover. Let's see if we can find it. Oh, here's something like this. This looks pretty. So you click into it and it brings you into this kind of editing area here. And it has areas that you can select with the text that you can change. So you can change the text. They have just, pre-populated it with about last night, but you can put your romance novel title here. You can resize it by grabbing the edges and dragging. Can I even spell? That's a good question. You can select it. You can adjust the font to a different one. You can adjust the size of the font here. You can even adjust the color of the font. I think white looks pretty good on this kind of dark cover. And you can always go back if you like the original. I'm just doing Control-Z to go back. So let's just stick with the original title because it kind of fits here. You can edit your name. And you can also add more text boxes or other elements if you want some sort of filter or shapes or anything like that. If you look here on the left-hand side, you'll notice you can add different shapes, different graphics, more photos on top. You can even add charts and frames. For instance, if we wanted to add just a very simple line, between our, image and our author name, you can add that. You can also upload your own materials directly into Canva, so you can then just drag and drop, something that you have uploaded from your phone or your computer directly into Canva and use that as your image. You can also add additional text. Like I said, they have a lot of really nice kind of pre-made text. You can also kind of search if you're looking for something romantic. You can find different styles, different elements. So for instance, if we wanted to change our photo, just click the photo on the left-hand side, add it to the right panel, and then you can resize it to fit your cover. It's really quick and dirty. I would be cautious though. You don't want to blow something up too much, or it's going to look really grainy on your final print. So be careful about zooming in like way too much, or else it may look kind of yucky and grainy on the final print. Here we go. And as you can see, it's kind of like cropping it just to the cover size, but if you double click it, it will bring it up so you can then kind of move it around and place it like somewhere that is visually centered, or the composition just looks nice and neat, so that the text will also fit over it. I'm going to adjust this a little bit more. A little bit more. So see, I'm just kind of like visually trying to make sure the title is kind of like in the black space of this couple silhouette. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope that gives you a great idea of how you could possibly use Canva for your covers. It's really easy to share and download the file directly from here. It saves it as a PDF, or you can also save it as a JPEG or a PNG. Probably suggest PDF for your own records, and then whatever your printer requires. They should be able to export it from here. So that's it for today. I hope that you found everything useful. Please like or subscribe and leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to get back to you. Thanks, everyone.